Hello and welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are having a great day. So in today's video, I'll be talking about the software engineer role that has opened up at Microsoft. This is a hybrid role because you'll have to be in office for 3 days a week and 2 days will be work from home. So this is a job located in Bangalore, Karnataka, and your discipline will be a full-time software engineer, and you'll be contributing as an individual contributor for this role. Now, moving on to the qualifications, the minimum requirements that they have listed for applying. You need to have a bachelor's degree in computer science or related technical discipline with proven experience in programming languages like C++, C Sharp, Java, JavaScript, or Python. It can go beyond these as well. Or you can have some equivalent practical experience in this field. And as a part of their other requirements, but you must meet them, is you need to be able to clear your Microsoft Cloud background check. So this position will be subjected to this check, and you need to clear it not just while getting hired, but every 2 years hereafter you'll have to be able to clear this check. And this is a policy I think they have for most employees, right? So these are all your minimum or required qualifications, and as part of their preferred qualifications, they would want you to have a bachelor's degree in computer science or related technical field and 1+ years of technical engineering experience with coding languages which are listed as C, C++, C Sharp, Java, JavaScript, or Python, but it can go beyond these languages as well. Or they would want you to have a master's degree in computer science or a related technical discipline with proven experience in coding languages which are listed but not limited to C, C++, C Sharp, Java, JavaScript, and Python. Or you can have an equivalent practical experience for this. They would prefer you if you have 1+ years of experience in designing and building large-scale distributed systems, and also they would prefer you if you have 1+ years of experience in cloud backend development and some experience with performance, scalability, reliability, resilience of your system, right? These are the qualifications that you need to meet to be able to apply for this role. Now, moving on to the hiring process that is generally followed. So for the round one, this is an online assessment which will be testing you on 2 coding questions for 90 minutes. So you'll get a span of 90 minutes to solve 2 coding questions, and the platform will be it can be Codility. So Microsoft typically for their online assessments, they don't show you their test cases, so you will have to solve using your own test cases. So be prepared for that. So that is about your first online assessment. After a couple of days, once you get shortlisted for your next interview, you'll be receiving a mail. So the interviews will be 3 in total. It can be more depending on whether the interviewer is satisfied with your answers in the particular interview. So your first technical interview, which you will have to sit for, it will kind of be focused on DSA. It can have questions on trees, graphs, dynamic programming, sets, and so on. So be prepared for this. So they will also be asking you if you have any questions. So ask your interviewer about their work culture, about how she is enjoying her life at Microsoft, and what you can expect if you get hired, and so on. For your second technical interview, again, there will be questions on coding, but here they will also be asking you about some project related questions, so some time will be allotted for that. So make sure whatever you have mentioned in your resume about your previous project experiences, go through the tech stacks that you have used, why you've used them, the features or the problems that you are solving. So here they will be asking you, maybe asking you about questions on multi-threading, some core fundamental CS questions they will be asking you. But definitely coding on DSA is a part of all three rounds, right? So again, make sure to interact with your interviewer well, because they do allot some time for interacting with you. They can ask you about what you want or what you are expecting from him or what you're expecting from the company, so be prepared for these kind of stuff. And the third round will be the final. It's called the AA round. It stands for as appropriate. So there will be a mix of technical questions and managerial questions in this round. They don't have a separate HR round. They have something called an AA round. So there will be some questions on say basics, like what do you mean by time complexity, or what do you exactly mean by space complexity, or what is the best time, what is the best of space complexity. You will be asked some coding questions as well, so it will be a part of all three interviews. And again, you will be asked some managerial based questions, some situation based questions, so be prepared for that. So after about a week, you will be getting to know whether you've gotten selected or not. Whether or not you get selected, make sure you apply before the link expires, because these opportunities don't come every day and they don't stay open for long. So go ahead and apply to this job role. I have attached the link to the application window in the description of my video, so go ahead and apply. And if you are liking my content, then please like, share and subscribe to my channel. I do post quite frequently on companies which are currently hiring for their job roles and internship roles, especially for college students who are on the lookout for this. So go ahead and apply, and please subscribe to my channel, it would mean a lot. And hope you guys are having a great day. See you in my next video.